This is my experience of four base motivators. First, we have a physical motivators, relaxing and recreational travel to a spring resort or spa resort to relieve stress and rejuvenate. And we have a climate and environment, traveling to a destination with a more favorable climate for comfort or health benefits. And escaping routine, taking a break from work or daily stress to refreshing the body and mind. And next, we have a cultural motivator. Cuisine and gastronomy, visiting a destination to taste local foods like such as snacks, authentic culinary experience. Tourists visit a famous resto bar in Dagumbaan, Maramag, Bukidnon. And we have our historic and thematic restaurants. Some eateries are part of a destination heritage like Spring Resort. Next, we have interpersonal motivators. During that day, we have meetings with a team and seminar, and we have a team building activities. And last, we have a status and prestige. Luxury travel, staying in a cottage, private rooms, or exclusive resorts like the Gumbaan Farm Resort at located Maramag, Bukidnon. Exclusive experience, booking a VIP access to event, private resort dining at Balaba Farm Resort restaurants. Elite destination, visiting a high status located such as Balaba Farm Resort, Dagumbaan, Maramag, Bukidnon, which are known for attractive resort.